Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. BMW M has officially unveiled the new BMW M5 Touring in the United States, marking the first time this high-performance model is available in the country. This latest addition to the BMW M lineup combines race-bred performance with a new level of utility, making it a versatile choice for enthusiasts who seek both power and practicality. The BMW M5 Touring features a distinctive exterior design characterized by prominently flare wheel arches, side skirt, and M-specific front and rear aprons. This design element underscores its sporty nature while providing a bold, aggressive appearance. Inside, the BMW M5 Touring offers up to 57.6 cubic feet of flexible cargo space, making it ideal for leisure activities and extended trips. On the hood, the M5 Touring shares the same mechanical setup as the M5 Sedan, including an M hybrid drive system that delivers an impressive 717 horsepower and 739 pound-feet of torque. This power allows the M5 Touring to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, with a pure electric range of approximately 25 miles. BMW North America has priced the M5 Touring at $121,500 with an additional $1,175 for destination and handling, and it is set to launch worldwide in the fourth quarter of this year. Okay guys, what do you think about 2025 BMW M5 Touring? Please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.